This building is really an opportunity for us to have a next chapter in the society. The Lakewood Historical Society is the repository for all of Lakewood's history. We've allowed people to connect to their family heritage. We have a lot of homes in Lakewood that all have almost 100 years of history. This building is going to allow us to have a library and archives that are fully accessible to all members of our community. We were able to coordinate the dumpster coming to us at no cost, which was really important for us because every penny we can save is a penny we can divert to our mission, which is sharing the history of Lakewood with Lakewood community.